Hi there. Today I'm going to show you how to calculate the odds of winning South African Powerball. And this is winning first prize in South African Powerball, which is where you correctly pick 5 numbers from 50, and then you also correctly pick 1 number from 20 to win first prize. And I've had a request from Tash3113 asking if I could do a video showing how to calculate the odds of South African Powerball. So I thought to myself, why not? That sounds like a good idea. So what I'm going to do then is I'm just going to randomly select the numbers, 5 numbers from the top 50 and 1 number from the Powerball. And hopefully by doing it this way, it'll help you understand how the odds are calculated. So I'm just going to pick 5 random numbers in the top section and just pretend that this is your Powerball coupon, and then you've got the Powerball there down the bottom, which I'll pick 1 number from. So let's see, I may as well, since I've talked about Tash 3113, I may as well pick 31 to 13 randomly, and I'll have 28 as well. 46, and maybe something from the top line, let's say 5. So there we go, I've picked 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, and down here I'll pick a random number there for the Powerball as well. Okay, so what happens then when you're watching the draw? There's 50 numbers in the barrel, and you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chances in 50 of 5 chances in 50 of the first number being drawn also being on your Powerball coupon as being one of the numbers that you've selected. So say then if that is successful, then we'll just mark off randomly one of those numbers and pretend that number 28 was drawn. And then when the next number's drawn, then you've left with 4 remaining numbers on your coupon. But now there's only 49 numbers in the barrel. So it's because one's already been drawn, so you've actually got only left with 49 numbers in the barrel to be drawn from. So then you've got 4 chances in 49 of matching the second number that's drawn. And the same with the third number. Then the third number, there's 1, 2, 3 numbers left on your coupon that you can match with the number being drawn, and now there's, of course, 2 numbers have already been drawn out of the barrel. You're left with 48 balls in the barrel to choose from. So you've got 3 chances in 48 then of matching the third number that's drawn on your coupon. Okay, and then the next, the fourth number that's drawn, you've left with 2 chances then, 2 chances left, because you've got 2 numbers left on your coupon that haven't been matched, and now 3 numbers have already been drawn out of the barrel, so you've got 47 numbers left in the barrel to match the fourth number that's drawn. Okay, so to match the last number on the on your coupon, then you've only got 1 number left to match, so you've got 1 chance in 46 because you've already had 4 numbers being drawn, and so then you've only got 46 numbers left in the barrel. And to do that, then this is the odds. So all you've got to do now to work out the odds of matching those first 5 numbers is to multiply all those numbers across the page. So I'll get out my trusty calculator. Okay, so I'll just multiply out those top row of numbers. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, and that gives you 120. So you've got 120 chances, and now you've got to multiply out the bottom row of numbers. 50 times 49 times 48 times 47 times 46. So it's 50 times 49 times 48 times 47 times 40. Oh wait, that should have been 46, and then it equals 254,251,200. So I'll write that on my 254, 251, 200. So that means that matching those first 5 numbers, you've got 120 chances in 254 million. And we'll simplify that, that fraction by dividing the top and the bottom by 120. So 120 over 120 is 1, so, but we just simplify that fraction. So then obviously 120 divided by 120 equals 1, because we want to find it as one chance in something. And then 254,251,200 divided by 120 equals 2,118,760. So there we go. That's not quite finished yet, but that's the chance then of picking those first 5 numbers. Is you've got one chance in 2,118,760, but then you also have to match the Powerball number, and you've got one chance then in 20. Yep, one chance in 20 to match the to actually correctly match that that Powerball number, and if you do, then you win first prize in the South African Powerball. And all we need to do now to find the odds is multiply the 1 times the 1. Yep. And then we multiply the 2,118,760 by 20, and that's already in my calculator. Multiply that by 20, and there we go. That's one chance in 42,375,200. So there we go. That's the odds of winning South African Powerball, picking winning the first prize in South African Powerball, picking the 5 numbers and the Powerball in one game is one chance in 42,375,200. And you can Google that and you can see that that's the that is actually the answer. Okay, well, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope you found it interesting and entertaining. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.